Alright, so around 3 weeks ago, my bike turned on perfectly fine. Haven't had any problems with it. And my battery died, so I took it to go get it charged. I put it back in. It's all hooked up. How it's supposed to be. Um, Nothing seems to be loose under the gas tank. Um, but every time I turn it on, it starts up normally. And then this comes on. There is fuel in the gas tank. I got 2 gallons in there. I don't know if you can hear it. But every time I try to turn it on, I get that. And even if I drop it down to first, it won't start. So I was just wondering if anyone had the same problem. It's an '06 Kawasaki Ninja 636. So yeah, if anyone's out there can help me or see if there's any, I don't know, like an easy fix, just comment below. Thanks.